Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, Bluetooth is the go-to way to connect your phone to wireless headphones, speakers and even car audio. But sometimes even through your phone says it's connected, Amazon Music just won't play through the Bluetooth device, or maybe the connection keeps dropping or the sound is choppy. So don't worry about that, in most cases this is a quick fix. In today's small tutorial, I will walk you through the most common Bluetooth issues and how to solve them. So fast and easy as usual, let's get started. First, you want to check the Bluetooth connection. Go through your phone, settings, Bluetooth, make sure your Bluetooth device is connected, not just paired. If it says connected, but music still plays from your phone, tap the device and make sure media audio is toggled on. Then you can disconnect and reconnect. Bluetooth settings, tap your device and select disconnect or forgot my device. Then you can easily turn Bluetooth off and back on. Repair the device and test Amazon Music again. You can also go and check the volume levels. Make sure both your phone volume and Bluetooth device volume are fully turned up. Some Bluetooth devices have their own volume control, like separate from the phone. So make sure you also volume up from the buttons or settings whatsoever. We can also restart our phone or Bluetooth device. A simple restart can clear up any Bluetooth glitches. So go ahead and restart your phone and reconnect to the Bluetooth device. If it didn't work, it's time to restart your Bluetooth device. Turn off your speaker, headphones or car system. Wait for 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Then we can easily reconnect and test. As a last resort, we have to check for any interference. Bluetooth uses the same frequency as Wi-Fi and any microwaves. Move your phone closer to the Bluetooth device if you are using Wi-Fi. Try switching to data to see if any interference is the issue. And that's it. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.